Hi. Oops. We will be doing the unboxing of a Louis Vuitton case. There's nothing much to unbox because it's just a case, but then again, here it is. Okay. Comes with this very fancy envelope with the bill, which you don't actually want to see, and I don't want to see it ever again because I don't know why. But then again, yeah. Then it comes with this. Yeah, the bag. Oh, yeah. So here it goes. Keep it just in case. Made a pun, just in case. Funny. Okay. Comes with this box. Then again, another fancy one. Pull it. Yes. You would actually ask yourself, why? Why spend so much on a case? Comes with this dust bag. Okay, doesn't smell anything. So it says iPhone X Max something. Yeah. Comes with this fancy dust bag. Then we'll start with the instruction. Cook per iPhone. Okay, just says all the things you need to know, that how you will take care of the case, because it's still leather, people. It's not just something that you would want to put down anywhere. So it says avoid contact with greasy substance, cosmetic, perfume, and hydroalcoholic solution, as well as material that may transfer colored pigments onto the magazine. Okay. Then what you have is another one. Oh, okay. It's just like a lint cleaner, something. Just don't want to take it out anyway. I might not be able to put it back. That's that one. So it comes with the instruction and the cake. And for the final reveal, it's the LV case. Yeah. So you can actually put a card inside. Just put this one just for the purpose of actually putting a card there. You can put a card there. So probably a Metro Rail card. Tap. That's it. Then behind says XX Max, it's made in Spain. What do you know? Then with a serial number of BC3179. In Spain. That's it. I'm gonna put my phone, but then again, I'm actually using my phone to video this, to take the video, so I'll just take a photo. Anyways, here it is, the Eclipse Canvas of Louis Vuitton. Comes with outside calf leather textile lining. Okay, comes with that one. And the sticker of the price. Okay, that's about it. Anyways, I probably won't eat after a month after purchasing this. And that's it. Bye!